Well, good morning, my ladies and my gents. Welcome to another gripping episode of What Did You Buy Wednesday, hosted by Joe over at Big Sky Model Workshop. And today, well, I haven't bought anything but like Joe says, doesn't matter if you bought 15 kits and $400 worth of aftermarket products, or if you bought a $2 paintbrush 2 weeks ago. You show it off. Well, I didn't buy anything this last week, so I'm going to show off a couple of really off the wall things that I have managed to pick up. And I always thought they're kind of cool and might be fun to actually put together at some point. So let me get the camera turned around and we'll get started on it. All right, first we have a Da Vinci clock. This is done by, zoom in a little bit, Academy plastic models. And this I picked up over at Hobby Link. I don't know, golly, it's been a year or two ago. Just because it's something just absolutely cool. I always thought it'd be fun just to put up on the shelf, just as a oddball piece. Reviews online say it doesn't really keep time very well, very long, and it winds down too soon and all of this, but heck, I thought it would be fun. I thought it would be cool. So, get a little bit of light here. So, I haven't opened it, and I'm not going to just yet, but just something little different, little oddball. What the heck? But I thought that would be kind of fun to do. And the other, as I bring it up, I found this. It's a dory. Just a little boat that it's a wooden model, 1/24 scale. And I thought it might be fun some point, like build a little trailer for it and put it behind a car of some kind or another. But I thought that might be fun. Again, I haven't opened this up to look at it, but it's got, the various bits and parts like this that you kind of punch out and, glue together and whatnot. But I just thought that would be just absolutely fun. It's a 24 scale. And I also got this one on Hobby Link, excuse me, not Hobby Lobby, Hobby Link. So I got it a couple of years ago, along the same time I got the other. But I just thought that would be cool. That would be fun. Just a little something different going behind a pickup, or maybe set it like on a roof rack upside down, like you see people's canoes. I don't know. I'm not exactly sure the size, how it's going to. Well, it's 10 inches long, so that would. Good golly, that's a big one. 10 inches at 24 scale would be 20 feet, if my math is right. That's a big one. That's a lot bigger than I thought it was. Well, there we go, folks. A couple of wholly oddball projects to do at some point in the future. Picked them up, like I said, over at Hobby Link. They weren't that much. The clock is not the best thing in the world, but it still, I thought it was cool. The dory, I didn't realize it was going to be that long, but still, it's a really cool idea. Yeah, I'll throw it in sometime when I want to do something just absolutely different. In and amongst the other 90 kits my stash over here I look at. I got a shelf over here. But just something neat to do. stick it on a trailer behind a pickup, maybe. Who knows? So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead, finish this off, get out of here. Be sure to go over to vcgresins.com. Go visit Josh over there. Check out what he's got. He's still got some of those wrinkled drags slicks with the 8-inch front tires. Go check it out, man. Go check it out. So, promo code Jester10, Jester10 for 10% off your order. Shipping is $6. Can't really go wrong with the way he packs stuff. But yeah, go check it out. One quick thing too. Here in about, I guess, next week, probably Monday or Tuesday, I'm going to change the name of the channel to Texas Garage from Tex Jester, and I'm going to change the logo. Still be the same old fart truck driver yapping to hear his own voice, and just going to have a little bit different name and logo. So I just wanted to throw that in there so that y'all can be expecting it. So if you see it, it's me. So anyway, y'all take care. See you next time.